Available in 5 and 6 person models, our newly designed Willwood tents offers plenty of space inside and out with its generous front canopy and large living room area. The front D-door spans the width of the tent, and the double zips allow it to open all the way to the side for a fantastic view. Our darkened premier bedrooms features our versatile 360 access system. This can open up fully for an unparalleled airy feel and ambience inside the tent. By the way, for 2020, the tent also features our new dark inner and hook track system. For more details on these new features, watch the individual films. Thank you so much for watching. For all the nitty-gritty details and optional extras available, come visit us at outwell.com.